Good morning, class. How are you?
Fine, sir, thank you. And how are you too?
Oh, I'm also very fine as you.
What is our lesson for today?
Our lesson is about cleanliness.
Cleanliness, our lesson for today?
Yes, children. Are you ready?
Yes, sir, we are ready. Yes, sir, we are ready.
Did you take a bath this morning?
Yes, sir, we took a bath.
Did you comb your hair?
Yes, sir, we comb our hair.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, sir, we brush our teeth.
So that is the cleanliness, our lesson for today. Now you are so very clean as me. Now my next question is about history. Please listen this carefully. Children, are you ready?
Yes, sir, we are ready. Yes, sir, we are ready.
Oh, give the Santo Niño to the people of Cebu.
According to our lolo, si Magellan Kulo,
Who killed Magellan?
si Yoyoy Villame.
Oh no!
Ay sila pula po pala, ay sila pula po pala.
Very good, you're very bright as me. My next question is science. I hope you can answer me.
Yes, sir.
What is the color of the blue?
Sky,
What is the color of the green?
grass,
What is the color of the sound?
the color of the sound is yellow.
At bakit naging yellow?
Pagkat dilaw ang latak ng sound sa tenga mo.
Correct, matalino talaga kayo, mana kayo sa akin. Dadagdagan tong inyong grado, magiging 99.
Thank you.
Now, my last question is about Middle East. We go to Iran, we go to Iraq, and we go to Egypt. What is Iran?
Iran ay tatakbo.
No. What is Iraq?
Iraq malaking bato.
No. What is Egypt?
Egypt is parang auto. Merong honor, merong diesel na pampasahero.
No, you got the wrong answer.
Sir, your question is very hard.
Ganun ba?
Mag-exercise na tayo nang mawala ang antok. Nakakandong ang klase, matay kumikipot. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2.
What can a little baby do?
Clap his hands and coo and coo.
Kick and roll and smile and glow.
That is why we love it so.
Tick, tick, tock,
6 the clock,
decorating